Sound is fundamental to auscultation, the practice of listening to body sounds with a stethoscope. In this video, we'll review the basic characteristics of sound that apply to patient auscultation. Sound is characterized by amplitude and frequency. Amplitude is the intensity or volume of the sound,
Frequency is the rate of vibration.
which is heard as the pitch. The lower the sound frequency, the harder it is for humans to hear. Body sounds are often difficult to hear because they're very quiet and they occur at very low frequencies. Most cardiovascular sounds actually occur below our threshold of hearing, with only a fraction audible to the human ear. The acoustic performance of your stethoscope can make a significant difference in your ability to detect, identify, and diagnose potential medical concerns. 3M Littmann stethoscopes provide outstanding auscultation performance, quality, and durability. From basic physical assessment to heart and lung examination to teaching and telemedicine, there's a Littmann stethoscope to meet your needs. To see the full range of options, watch the video choosing the 3M Littmann stethoscope that's right for you, or visit littmann.com.